So I get quite a lot of email, and over the years I've been through many different mail clients, and I have stuck with Gmail as being the best example of an excellent email processing method that I can find. The interface is just the best that I've ever used for getting things through my email quickly. So I think probably the first secret is learn the keyboard shortcuts. You never need to go to the mouse when using Gmail, and to do so almost always slows you down. So from the keyboard, you can move up or down. You can see the little cursor moving at the side there. You can open a message. So we've just opened this one. From here, I can look at this and say, well, I'm not really interested in that one. So delete is the pound key. It's gone. Open the next one. This one, JFlubber, interesting. I don't want to deal with it right now, so I'm going to archive it, which is Y. Next one, Netflix shipping. Great, I've got Stranger Than Fiction coming. I'm going to archive that one. Deal with this later, and so on. And you can see how fast you can move through this stuff. There's a lot more been added to Gmail recently. So one of the new things is the Move To menu, which lets you move things directly into your list of labels down the side here. This also has a keyboard shortcut. It's V, and you can start typing. So if I say here, I'm interested in this, but it's Java Posse related, I can simply say podcast feedback, and it's gone. Next one. And you can see how quickly you can move through it. Right, other things, real power tool. Have you ever been on one of those threads that just keeps going? Gmail threads everything, but you deal with it, you archive it, and it comes back again. And and it's all day long, and it just gets more and more annoying. There's a lesser known feature of Gmail called mute. It's the M key. Hit mute, it won't come back to you until somebody actually copies you directly on that thing. So it's gone. It's your kill file. Very useful. Search. You can get into search with slash. I don't know if you saw that, but it moves you up to the search thing there. I can then say, let's find out what Bruce sent me last. So again, no mouse usage. Hit return. All the stuff I've got from Bruce recently. I can start moving through this. I can also move through this message by message with the up and down keys. These are J and K. So very quickly. Within these, I can also move forwards and backwards, N and P. So I'm moving backwards through the things. I can open one to see what that was. Moving forwards, backwards through them. I can also archive things, remove them from the current view using the forward and backwards brace. Okay, searching. How am I doing? 2 minutes. You can do a lot with searching in Gmail. The best way to learn how to do searches is to start using the search options. From here you can do things like from Bruce, subject, Roundup, within the last 2 months, search mail. Really nice part of this, you noticed I used the mouse for that. Down here I can see, for some reason, I didn't give it a today. Within 2 months of today, do that again, search mail. So now, from here, I've got the list of queries that were actually used. I can use this directly in the thing. You can start to learn the search syntax. So here, I could go up to here, paste exactly the same thing. Oh, I missed the from. And you can get the same things. You can do things like is unread. And it'll show you everything you've got that's unread. So really learn this stuff. It's tremendous. Things that have been added that might be of interest, the Google Labs is worth a look. There's a lot of new stuff that they're constantly adding down here. Some of the things I really like are, Labs gave me the ability to turn off my message counts. If there's one thing that increases my stress, it's seeing that my message count is going up and up and up and up and up. I know I've got email. I've always got email. I don't want to know how much email I've got until I want to do it. So I turned off all the message counts. I still leave it bold for things that have mail in them, but I don't want the stress of seeing I've got 5,000 messages or whatever it is. Quick links. I'm not going to cover those because I haven't got time. You can use IMAP to access this stuff if you're offline. I don't use Gears. I found it too flaky in the past, so I've turned Gears off until it stabilizes. But if you're on a plane, you can sync your IMAP client beforehand, work on it on the plane, sync it at the other end, everything's taken care of. So, you're not losing out by having an online mail thing. Okay, I'm about out of time, but if anybody wants any more power tips on Gmail, there's a lot more to know. Okay.